Okay, so here is the shower head that I purchased. I love this thing. It is amazing. I love how big it is. It's great for the kids. I've got 2 boys and they love using this thing. I've got a dog. He is a poodle and he is not a fan of the water, so this is quiet. And it's quiet. You see how quiet it is? And I love how easy it is to turn and change the middle. Like, it comes out super hard in the middle. It feels like a massage. It even goes like super hard. I know this video is like hard to do, but see, you can turn it off that way, so you can let it dangle while you're washing your pet or washing your kids and not have to turn the water off. And then you just pull it back down and it starts, and then you can go all the way to shower this way. Sorry, I know it's like weird. And you can do full state and shower, so you can do both too. It looks really good. And for the money, I'm gonna get another one for our other bathroom. We absolutely love this. Why won't this thing stay up? It keeps going up, it keeps going down. Every time I bring it up, it goes down. Why won't it stay up? Absolutely love this Showerhead. Get you one.
Easy to install, and it has everything you need.
Even tape.